Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, which is Eileen Believe in Yourself. Today I would like to tell you some my life experience, which some lines which are very beneficial for my personal life, and I would like to share to all of you so that it might help you in some or the other way. So if you really like my content of the video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel and do support me. First, respect yourself, then everyone will respect you, because you have to respect yourself first, then you can expect the other person to respect you. Otherwise you're definitely going to be taken as a granted. Second, don't waste your valuable time on the people who don't deserve you, because time is very precious. This time, if you spend your time with the people who don't deserve you, who don't deserve your attention, your valuable time, then you are just wasting it. Instead of that, rather than use your time for making your career, your life, the very best option is your parents. Option in the sense, spending your time with your parents is the most precious thing you can do. Third, all power is within you. You can do anything and everything. Yes, first you have to believe in yourself. You can do anything which is present on this earth, you can do it. But you have to collaborate all your willpower, strength, your positivity, and you have to believe yourself that definitely I'll make it. I can do anything, no matter what. No matter how many or how much hurdles comes in your life, you can definitely make it yourself. So the option is in front of you. Either you lose yourself or you make it. No second person is going to help you out in this. Fourth point is, the only way to success is never give up. Never ever give up. Mark yourself that you will never give up whatever happen. Try. Do try. Tomorrow, day after tomorrow, every day just try it. At the last you will make it. Never be afraid of yourself from being trying it. Fifth, win and show them who are waiting for your success. There are many people. Apparently, you are be surrounded by so many people who never believe your deeds, who never believe in you, that you are the one who can achieve or mark your target. But you have to show them, the people who are waiting, that you will definitely not make it. Let that happen. Make them believe by your hard work, by your dedication, by your success. Show them. Don't fight with them. Show them with your success. The sixth point is passion, confidence, and never give up. Whatever you choose in your life, your dream, your target, your goals, you have to show the passion. You have to show the great integrity, the great confidence, of never giving it up. You have to show that. You have to be honest with yourself. Then your dream will be honest to you. The last point is, never say sorry when you haven't done any mistake. Because if you haven't done mistake and if you apologize to it, that means you are committing that you have done something wrong, which will later on it will get into your habit. This will disgrace your potential. This will disgrace your integrity, your dignity. So before saying or before apologizing in front of the other person who several made mistakes, do think once that that person deserves your sorry or not. I hope these lines and these expressions of mine will help you in your life day to day, and people don't get stressed out. So if you really like my video, do like it, share and subscribe my channel, which is Eileen Believe in Yourself, and please do support me for my upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching it out. Thank you.